Hi, my name is Christopher Tate. I want to show you how to purchase your own domain name, and I'll teach you why that's important. I want my own domain name so that my applications that I'm learning how to use I can have a valid SSL certificate. For example, my OpenShift environment here, running on 127.0.0.1, I want to buy a domain name and use that instead so that I can have valid SSL certs to this site. I can also have valid SSL certs to all of my applications and their routes that are deployed here. Instead of 127.0.0.1.nip.io, I can have my own domain. And it doesn't have to be a real company domain. It can just be a domain for playing around. That's what I want here. So I'm going to go to Gandhi.net. There's a million places to buy domain names, but I'm going to go here. They have a lot of promotional domains that you can get for cheaper, but let's look up one here like heytate.com. There we go, direct hit. It's available. So I'm going to go and purchase this domain name. I'll check out here. Now I already have an account set up with Gandhi.net. And so I'm going to continue. I'm going to accept these conditions, and I'm going to skip SSL certificate and these other ones because I can generate my own valid SSL certificate for free with Let's Encrypt, and I'll show you that in another video in the future. Yay, it's now confirmed. I have my domain name. So now what do you do with this domain name? I'll teach you about some important things called name servers and DNS records. So if I go to my email, I see this email from Gandhi with a link here to admin.beta.gandhi.net/domain. This is a site where I can manage the more advanced parts of my domain. So let's pull that up here at my domain, heytate.com. All right, so here we are. These are the name servers. The name servers are the company that manages your domain name. So when someone makes a request to heytate.com, then it's Gandhi.net that broadcasts that through the internet that I own that domain and serves up these DNS records for it to explain how that domain is used. So I could go and choose a different name server here. For example, I manage my email I have email through fastmail.com. And with Fastmail, you can also manage your DNS records for your domains. So I could go and add a domain here for heytate.com. And all I need to do to make Fastmail manage my records is to use these name servers that it recommends. ns1.messagingengine.com ns2.messagingengine.com. So I could, for example, go here and change the DNS records and put these two in. And then I can manage my domains all together in the same place. Or you can use Gandhi.net. It's fine. So let me show you Gandhi.net here. here are the DNS records for Gandhi.net. So these are for different things. Webmail, www. We're going to want to change these records here. We're going to add some records. And I can show you some other ones, for example. Okay, so first of all, I want 2 A records. That's the key here to start managing my domain. And so since I'm at home here, I can say, what is my IP? And Google will tell me. Now this is my static IP. I asked my internet service provider to give me a static IP address. And so they told me, okay, that's going to be $10 a month. So I paid $10 a month and I have a static IP address. And I can take that static IP address here, like I did here, and put that into A records, one for the root domain name and one for a wildcard domain name. So I'm going to do the same thing in Gandhi.net. So let's add an A record. The IP address I got from Google, and the name is going to be heytate.com. Great. So I can make, when you access heytate.com on the internet, it'll come to that IP address. And then I had another one, a star.heytate.com, which is going to allow me to create subdomains under that domain, like OpenShift1.heytate.com, for example. Okay. Now we're also going to want to change this at DNS A record. It's for the base domain name. So I want to change the IP address here to my IP. And this one might be redundant, to be determined. But I want to do a lookup. Let's see, DNS query, DNS records. Here, if I put in heytate.com, then it has my IP address registered here. So that's good. So now I should be all set to be able to generate SSL certificates for my sites and start integrating my SSL cert into my domains and start building my applications with sane domain names and SSL enabled, which is going to be great. So I hope you enjoyed this, and thanks for watching.